National festivals. Let us learn about national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. In this lesson, we know about some national festivals. National festivals are the festivals that are celebrated by the entire nation. There are 3 national festivals in India: Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Children, do you know how do we celebrate Independence Day and why? Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year. Our country became free from the British rule on this day in the year 1947. The main function of the Independence Day is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag there. He or she addresses the nation after flag hoisting. We pay homage to all our freedom fighters. Functions are also held all over the country. Now let's talk about the importance of the Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26th every year. The Indian Constitution came into force on this day in the year 1950. Every year on the Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag at the Rajpath in New Delhi. The main function of the Republic Day is held between the India Gate and the Vijay Chowk in New Delhi. A big and colorful parade is taken out in which the police and armed force, school children and folk dancers take part. The President of India takes the salute at the parade. Now let's talk about Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on this day in the year 1869. Gandhiji led the people of India to get freedom. This is why he is called the father of the nation. A special prayer meeting is held in New Delhi at the Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi. The Prime Minister, ministers, and the other special guests, along with the common public, take part in this function. So kids, this was all about the national festivals of India, which is given on the page number 95 in your EVS book.